was also interesting today on the 25th of 2024. When was the second Pohjoisranta?
6.
Yes, Northern Stekis 8.
And the red lights here.
Yeah, it is Stekis D, there's the green lights there.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's, the elevators, this one was added in 1957 when the extension was also finished that year. Modernized in 2002 here, late 2002.
Yeah.
Zimbabwe 7, 285, and Stekis D was modernized in the beginning of 2003. But still, they got red lights here.
Yeah.
But in D, there's the green lights.
Yeah.
And there is Stekis C with an elevator too, but B doesn't have a problem.
Yeah.
Still two lights here.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it's a bit broken.
Yeah.
Capacity is 3 persons of the footprints. It's also in Kone and and here the doors are original from 1957.
Yeah.
There was no elevator. But the year before was even more interesting for sure.
Yeah.
It could also be another green here.
Yeah. Is Pete Vice that maintained by Espanjissi?
The beep is a bit unnecessary, but the Stekis D doesn't have the beep.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, these walls are quite vandalized. They have scratched them.
Yeah.
After the renewal in 2003. Or 2002, 2003.
Yeah. That's